Make healthy longevity pralines with whole foods that taste better as a Dubai chocolate and are way healthier, way cheaper and way easier. You just need 3 simple ingredients. These are the healthiest, super delicious pralines. So hit the subscribe button and let's get started. First up, have a date. Then fill it with 1 salted pistachio. Next, dunk it into dark chocolate. Now let it cool. And enjoy super delicious and super healthy pralines. Thanks for watching.